So in this session, let us discuss the differentiation, in which successive differentiation is a part. Successive differentiation or higher order differentiation or higher order derivative. Successive differentiation or higher order differentiation. So it is a repetition of differentiation, that's all. Let us take y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x is a function of x, is a function of x, right? If it is differentiated with respect to x, we will get what? Dy by dx, right? So that is we are doing it. Differentiate this y, differentiate y with respect to x, we get dy by dx, dy by dx. I will take f of x differentiation as f dash x. This dy by dx or f dash x is called first order differentiation, first order differentiation or first order derivative. Suppose if the first order derivative is differentiable, if it is having differentiation, then again we can go for differentiation, right? If it is differentiable, again differentiate with respect to x, we get d by dx of what we are going to differentiate. We are going to differentiate dy by dx. So here y is there, it is differentiated dy by dx of y. Like that, if you differentiate this dy by dx, we will take like this d by dx of dy by dx. We are differentiating dy by dx again with respect to x. That should be taken as d square y divided by dx square. F dash x differentiation. Suppose if you get another function, I will take it as f double dash x. So this d square y by dx square or double dash x, f of double dash x is called second order differentiation. If this second order derivative is again differentiable, then again we can go for third order differentiation. Again differentiate with respect to x, we get d by dx of what we are going to differentiate. We are going to differentiate d square y by dx square, d square y divided by dx square. We will get, or we will take it as d cube y divided by dx cube. Suppose the derivative obtained here in the third stage, if it is a function, I will take it as f triple dash x is called third order differentiation. Like that, we can go up to any number of times. We can go up to nth order differentiation. We can go up to what? Nth order differentiation. Why we are saying this is successive? First we will take function. If it is differentiated, we will get some other function. Again, if you differentiate that derivative successively, you will get d square y by dx square. If it is differentiable, we can go for another time differentiation. So that is again successively we are doing it. Hence, whatever the derivative you are getting for a given function, again we are going to differentiate successively. Hence, it is called what? Successive differentiation. And it is also called higher order differentiation. See, first order, second order, third order. Second and third order are said to be what? Higher than first. Hence, it is called what? Higher order differentiation. Okay, so this is known as successive differentiation or higher order differentiation. All the rules and types of differentiation so far we learned, we will be applied here to get the second order differentiation. Okay, the first order differentiation is denoted as first order differentiation is denoted as dy by dx or f dash x or y1 or y dash, like that, or d1 etc. So this is indication of first order derivative. First order derivative is denoted by dy by dx, f dash x, y1, y dash, d1 etc. Second order derivative is denoted as d square y divided by dx square or f double dash x or y2 or y double dash or d2 etc. For third order, we will call it as d cube by dx cube or f triple dash x or y3 or y double dash triple dash or d3 etc. We can go up to nth order. So nth order derivative is d to the power of ny by dx to the power of n, or it is f dash up to how many times? N times. Or we can call it as yn, or y up to what? N terms, or dn. This is known as higher order differentiation or successive differentiation. Okay, let us take few examples. For the following functions, find d square y by dx square, or sometime it will be called as what? y2. Okay? Or it is also called f double dash x. They are all same symbols used to get the second order differentiation. And sometimes they will ask you in wordings only, find the second order derivative of, like that, y is equal to sin x. Y is equal to sin x. As we know that y is a function of x, it is having differentiation. If you differentiate it, what you will get? Dy by dx. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. If it is again differentiate with respect to x, you will get what? D square y by dx square, and differentiation of cos x is what? It is minus sin x. Sometimes it is also called d square y by dx square is equal to minus, what is sin x? Sin x is what? It is y. They may ask you like this: if y is equal to sin x, prove that d square y by dx square is equal to minus y. Or it can also be rewritten as d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. Sometime they will ask you like that: if y is equal to sin x, prove that d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. Right? Y is equal to e to the power of x dy by dx. Dy by dx is what? E to the power of x. It is e to the power of x only. Again differentiate it. What you will get? D square y by dx square. Differentiation of e to the power of x is e to the power of x only. Like that, if you differentiate n times, you don't get this function. You will get the same function. You don't get other function. So nth order derivative of e power x is what? E power x only. If I go up to n times, nth order derivative of e power x is e power x only. Nth order derivative of e power x is what? E power x only, right? Y is equal to sine square x. Y is equal to sine square x. So it is what? It is sin x to the power of 2, correct? It is treated as what? Function to the power of n. What is differentiation of function to the power of n? It is n into function to the power of n minus 1. N into function to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of function, correct? The same step you have to follow to get derivative of sin square x. dy by dx is equal to function to the power of n, that is n into function to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of function. What is function? Sin x. That is 2 into sin x to the power of 2 minus 1 is what? 1 into differentiation of sin x is what? Cos x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. As we know that 2 sin a cos a is what? It is sin 2a. Multiple angle formula. 2 sin a cos a is always sin 2a. We got the dy by dx as sin 2x. Again differentiate it. Again differentiate with respect to x. What we will get? We get d square y by dx square. Differentiation of sin to x. What is differentiation of sin? It is cos. Sin function. It is treated as what? Sin of function. Differentiation of sin function is what? It is cos function into d by dx of function. Differentiation of sin x is cos x, like that. Differentiation of sin function is what? It is cos function into d by dx of function. Then, according to that, differentiation of sin d by dx of what? Sin x, it is equal to sin 2x is equal to 2 sin 2x. Differentiation of sin is what? Cos 2x. Cos function into d by dx of function. It is 2x. Or it is equal to cos 2x into differentiation of 2x is 2 into 1, which is equal to 2 cos 2x. This is second order differentiation of what? Sin square x. Fourth one, y is equal to log of 5x. Get second order derivative. Dy by dx is equal to differentiation of log function. It is treated as what? Log function. For log x, it is 1 by x. For log function, it is 1 by function into d by dx of function. Right? This is 1 by 5x into differentiation of 5x is what? 5 into 1. 5 get cancelled. What is remaining? 1 by x. It is dy by dx. If I differentiate it further, what you will get? I will get d square y divided by dx square. That is how to differentiate 1 by x. Use 1 by x to the power of n formula minus n by x to the power of n plus 1. Right? According to that, minus 1 by x to the power of 1 plus 1, or it is minus 1 by x square. D square y by dx square is what? It is minus 1 divided by x square. Right? Y is equal to sin inverse x. Y is equal to what? Sin inverse x. If I differentiate it, I will get 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. For sin inverse x, its derivative is what? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. How? We are going to differentiate it further to get d square y by dx square. See, it has to be simplified. How? Take it in this form. 1 minus x square to the power of root means whole power of. Okay. Or you can take it as 1 minus x square to the power of minus 1 divided by 2. 1 minus x square all to the power of what? Minus 1 by 2. Now you can differentiate it. How to differentiation of this? It is similar to function to the power of n. N into function to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of function. So according to that, d square y by dx square is equal to n. What is n? Minus 1 by 2 into function. What is function? 1 minus x square to the power of minus 1. N minus 1 into d by dx of function. What is function? It is 1 minus x square. So it is minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus x square to the power of. What is minus of minus 1? It is simplified by taking LCM. What is LCM? 2, 1. 2 is LCM. Minus 1 minus 2 into 1 is 2 into differentiation of 1, 0. Minus differentiation of x square, it is 2x. Right? This is equal to this minus and this minus become plus 2x divided by 2 into 1 minus x square all to the power of minus 3 by 2. So 2 get cancelled. Right? X into 1 minus x square to the power of minus 3 whole to the power of 1 by 2. Because n into m, a to the power of m whole to the power of n can be taken as a to the power of m into n. If you want to write it in terms of root, you can take like this: 1 minus x square to the power of minus 3 in root of this. Otherwise, you can also write like this: x divided by 1 minus x square whole cube root. This is d square y by dx square. So if they want proof, till that you have to simplify it. Otherwise, you can stop at this stage or at this stage. Okay. Okay, sometime they will ask you like that. If y is equal to 3 e to the power of 2x, find f double dash 0. It means after getting d square y by dx square, put x is equal to 0. F double dash x is d square y by dx square. F double dash 0 means find d square y by dx square, then put x is equal to 0. What is given function? Y is equal to 3 into e to the power of 2x. Differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to 3 constant into function. Keep the constant as it is. Differentiate function. Differentiation of function is what? E to the power of 2x into dy dx of 2x. E to the power of function. E power function into dy dx of function. Right? It is equal to 3 into e to the power of 2x. Differentiation of 2x is 2 into 1. So dy by dx is equal to 3 into 2, 6. 2 to the power of, e to the power of 2x. Again differentiate it. Again differentiate with respect to x. We get d square y divided by dx square, that is equal to, again it is in what form? Constant into function. Keep constant as it is. Differentiate function. E to the power of function is differentiation of e power x is e power x. For e power function, it is e power function into d by dx of function. Right? 6 into e power 2x. Differentiation of 2x is 2 into 1. Now it becomes 6 into 2, 12. E to the power of 2x. D square y by dx square is what? 12 into e to the power of 2x. Therefore, f double dash 0 means d square y divided by dx square at x is equal to 0. That is, substitute x is equal to 0 in d square y by dx square. 12 into e to the power of 2 into 0. Anything to the power of 0 except 0 to the power of 0 is equal to 1 only. So it becomes 12 into 1. It is 12. This is called differentiation of the function, exponential function. If y is equal to e to the power of 2x minus e to the power of minus 3x divided by 10, find d square y divided by dx square at x is equal to 0. So here we have taken exponential function, so e to the power of 2x, but here we have e to the power of 2x minus e to the power of minus 3x. Two exponential terms which are connected by minus divided by number. So number is what? It is a constant. While differentiating dy by dx, keep the constant as it is, right? I will take 1 by 10. Differentiation of e power x. E power x into differentiation of 2x is what? 2 into 1. I am writing directly. How? Refer this problem. D by dx of this is what? Constant into differentiation of e power x is e power x into differentiation of 2x, right? Differentiation of 2x is what? 2 into 1. I am writing this step directly. Minus e power function into differentiation of function. What is function? Minus 3x. Minus 3 into 1. So it becomes 1 by 10 into 2 e to the power of 2x minus into minus plus 3 into e to the power of minus 3x. Right? Again differentiate it. Again differentiate with respect to x. We get d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square is equal to, again 1 by 10 will be taken as it is. Differentiate 2 into e power function, 2 into e power function into differentiation of function, right? E power x, e power x, e power function into differentiation of function, 2x, that is 2 into 1, plus 3 into, for e power function into d by dx of function, minus 3 into 1. Or it is equal to 1 by 10 into 2 into 2, 4 e power 2x, e power 2x, minus into plus, minus 3 into 3, 9 e power minus 3x, right? We got the second order derivative. But at the end we have to substitute x is equal to what? X is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, d square y by dx square at x is equal to 0 is equal to 1 by 10 into 4 into e power 2 into 0 minus 9 into e power minus 3 into 0. So e power 0 is what? 1. E power anything 0. Sorry, e power 0 is what? 1. That become 1 by 10 into 4 into 1 is 4. Minus 9 into 1 is 9. 1 by 10 into 4 minus 9, which is equal to 1 by 10 into minus 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is answer. Right? If y is equal to x minus root of 1 minus x square, find f double dash 0. F double dash 0. What is function? The function is y is equal to x minus root of 1 minus x square, right? By differentiating it, I will get dy by dx. Differentiation of x is 1 minus differentiation of root of 1 minus x square. It is root function, correct? For root x, it is 1 by 2 root x. For root function, it is 1 by 2 root function into d by dx of function, right? 1 divided by 2 root of function into d by dx of function. What is function? 1 minus x square. That is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x square into differentiation of 1 is 0 minus differentiation of x square is 2x. This two get cancelled. What is remaining? It is 1. This minus into minus. 0 minus 2x is minus 2x, in which 2 get cancelled. Remaining is minus x. Minus into minus plus x divided by root of 1 minus x square. Right? Again differentiate it. Again differentiate with respect to x. We get d square y divided by dx square is equal to differentiation of 1 is constant 0 plus differentiation of x divided by root of 1 minus x square. They are in which form? They are in u by v form. Correct? Use quotient rule to differentiate this form. Okay. So v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v 1 minus x square whole divided by root of 1 minus x square whole square because of v square, right? Square and root get cancelled. 0 plus something, you will get the something only. 0 is left out. Root of 1 minus x square. What is differentiation of x? It is 1 minus x into what is differentiation of root function? Same thing you will get. Root of function is what? 1 by 2 root of function into differentiation of function. Differentiation of function is what? Minus 2x whole divided by 1 minus x square. These two get cancelled. Right? What is remaining? Root of 1 minus x square. Minus into minus, it is plus x into x square divided by root of 1 minus x square whole divided by 1 minus x square. Now we need to calculate d square y by dx square at x is equal to 0. It means d square y by dx square at x is equal to 0, right? F dash 0 is equal to root of 1 minus 0 plus 0 by root of 1 minus 0 whole divided by 1 minus 0. Correct? What is remaining? Root 1 minus 0 is root 1 plus 0 by anything is 0 divided by 1 minus 0 is 1. Or root 1 plus 1 is 1 by 1. So answer is 1 only. Differentiation at x is equal to 0. You will get 1 only. Some special questions will be there. Like this, they will give you some function. With that, we need to derive an equation. Okay, see this. If y is equal to a cos of mx plus b, show that d square y by dx square plus m square y is equal to 0. They have given some equation, that is y is equal to a into cos mx plus b. With that we have to find out equation. We have to get this equation. D square y by dx square plus m square y is equal to 0. You just simplify it 2 times. Let us see after that. Y is a into cos of mx plus b. If I differentiate it, what I will get? I will get dy by dx. Differentiating y, you will get dy by dx, constant into function, right? Differentiation of function. For cos, it is minus sign of function. Differentiation of cos x is what? Minus sin x. Differentiation of cos function is what? Minus sin function into d by dx of function. What is function? Mx plus b. That is minus into a into sin of mx plus b into differentiation of mx, m into 1 plus 0. Mx, m into 1 plus 0, right? M into 1 is m plus 0 is m only. I will take like this, minus m a into sin of mx plus b. I need d square y by dx square, correct? The equation is in d square y by dx square, therefore go for second order differentiation. Again, if it is differentiated, you will get d square y by dx square. That is equal to, see, constant into function, right? Keep the constant as it is. Differentiate sin x. Sin x differentiation is cos x. Here sin function is there. Therefore, cos of function into d by dx of function. D by dx of function. Okay. It is equal to minus ma into cos of mx plus b. Differentiation of function, m into 1 plus 0, you will get m only. So that m into this m become what? Minus m square. M into m, because m into 1 is m plus 0, m into m is m square, a into cos of mx plus b. This, observe here, we got d square y by dx square. We need in this form. Okay, d square y by dx square plus m square y. Can I take this as y? Because y is equal to a cos mx plus b. Y is equal to a cos mx plus b. Therefore, it can be taken as y only. Right? So this is y given. Hence it becomes what? D square y by dx square plus m square y is equal to 0. So this is the required equation with the given function. So the same problem we will work it out in differential equation. Differential equation. Please remember it. The same problem we will have in the differential equation at the last chapter. X, y is equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x. Show that x into d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx is equal to x. So what is given? X, y is equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x. With that we have to prove that x d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx is equal to xy. Take the given function xy is equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x. On differentiating on either side, differentiate on both sides. Differentiate on both sides. What you will get? You will get derivative. How to differentiate this? It is x into v, no? Take product rule. X into y, hence it has to be differentiated by product rule. X into d by dx of y plus y into d by dx of x. Is it right? At the right side, a into e power x differentiation is e power x plus b into for e power minus x. It is minus x into d by dx of minus x, right? For e power minus x, it is e power minus x into differentiation of minus x. X into dy by dx plus y into differentiation of x is what? 1 is equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x into differentiation of minus x is minus 1, right? It becomes what? Y into dy by dx plus y is equal to a e power x plus into minus minus b e power minus x. Again differentiate with respect to x. You will get on differentiating on either side. Again we have to differentiate on both sides. No, it is what? First term is x into dy by dx. It is product of x and derivative. Use product rule. Again we have to use product rule. See, x into d by dx of what? Dy by dx plus dy by dx, that is v into d by dx of what? U, that is x, plus for y it is dy by dx is equal to a e power x differentiation is e power x minus b into for e power minus x, for e power minus x it is e power minus x into differentiation of minus x is minus 1, right? X into what is this? It is d square y divided by dx square plus dy by dx into differentiation of x is 1 plus dy by dx is equal to a e power x, this minus into minus plus b e power minus x. I can take this as y into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into 1 dy by dx plus dy by dx. It is 2 times of dy by dx is equal to, check the right hand side term. Right hand side term is what? A e power x plus b e power minus x. That is nothing but xy. Correct? Xy. It become xy. The same question will also be important for differential equations. Differential equation. Same question will be given. Next, if y is equal to a e to the power of mx plus b e to the power of minus mx, show that d square y by dx square minus m square y is equal to 0. For a given exponential terms, we need to show that d square y by dx square is equal to m square y, or d square by dx square minus m square y is equal to 0. Take y is equal to a e power mx plus b e power minus mx. Differentiate it. Differentiate with respect to x. You will get what? Dy by dx, right? Differentiation of first function, constant into function, keep constant as it is. Differentiation of function, it is e power mx into d by dx of mx plus b into, for e power minus mx, it is e power minus mx into differentiation of function, that is minus mx, right? A e power mx, differentiation of mx, m into 1 plus b into e power minus mx into differentiation of minus mx is minus m into 1. It become what? M a e power mx plus into minus minus m b e power minus mx. This is dy by dx. Further, it is differentiated on differentiation. Again differentiate. What you will get? You will get d square y divided by dx square. Keep constant and then differentiate function, right? Constant is ma into differentiation of e power mx into m into 1 minus mb e to the power of function is minus mx into differentiation of minus mx m into 1, right? Now this m is what? M square a e to the power of mx minus into minus plus m square b e to the power of minus mx. We need the answer in the equation for d square y by dx square minus m square y. Can you convert this into m square y? We will convert easily. How? By taking m square common. M square is there, m square is there. You just take a common. What is remaining? A e power mx plus b e power minus mx. Observe the bracket. So this bracket is what? It is given as y, correct? Y is equal to a e power mx plus b e power minus mx. Therefore, d square y divided by dx square is equal to m square y. Or if I take this to left side, whose sign changes, d square y by dx square minus m square y is equal to 0. Okay. Take this. If y is equal to a cos mx plus b sin mx, show that d square y by dx square plus m square y is equal to 0. It is similar to previous example. If I differentiate the given function 2 times, you will get in this order. By taking m square common, you will get the same answer. See, for a given y, if I differentiate it, dy by dx is equal to constant into function. Keep constant as it is. Differentiation of cos function. Cos x minus sin x, right? Here is cos function. So minus sin function into d by dx of function plus b into differentiation of sin is what? Cos function into d by dx of function, right? What is function? Mx. It is equal to minus a into sin mx. Differentiation of mx is m into 1 plus b into cos mx into differentiation of mx m constant into x 1. It is what? M into minus m into a into sin mx plus m into 1 into b mb into cos of mx. Again differentiate with respect to what? X. What you will get? You will get d square y by dx square is equal to, see the function first term, it is minus ma into sin function, correct? Keep constant minus ma as it is. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. For sin function, it is cos function into differentiation of function m into 1 plus m into b. Differentiation of cos function is what? Minus sin function into differentiation of function m into 1. Again, m into 1 is m into m is m square, so it becomes minus m square a into cos mx plus into minus m into m is what? M square b into sin mx. To get in the form of y So we need to take the common. What is common here? Minus m square minus m square. If I take minus m square as common, what is remaining? A into cos mx plus b into sin mx. Observe this bracket. So this observe bracket is what? The bracket is given as y. Y is equal to a cos mx plus b sin mx. That become minus m square y. So d square y by dx square plus m square y is equal to 0. It is the required equation. Okay. If y is equal to tan inverse x, prove that 1 plus x square into y2 minus 2x y1 is equal to 0. It is most important problem. This will be frequently asked in exam, right? Take y is equal to tan inverse x. If I differentiate this, I will get dy by dx, right? Differentiation, you will get y1. What is y1? It is dy by dx, right? It is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. See, in successive differentiation, many problems will come in this form. How to get this type of equations? So it is they are given only for inverse functions and for log functions. Remember it. This type of problems will be given only for inverse functions or log functions. Why? For log function, derivative is what? 1 of 1 by. For log x, it is 1 by x. For all the inverse functions, you are always getting what? 1 by 1 plus x square, 1 by root of 1 minus x square, like that, right? If it is the case, after getting first order derivative, you have to make cross multiplication to get the equation in this form. So got it? First take the given y, differentiate it. You will get the first order differentiation. After getting first order differentiation, the denominator in the right side should be transferred to the right side. Left side. It become what? 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to 1. Now, if you differentiate on both sides, directly you will get the answer. In all the problems of this type, if it is inverse function or logarithmic function, please make cross multiplication after first order differentiation. Okay. Now, differentiating. Again, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. How to differentiate it? It is differentiating by using product rule. Why? It is 1 plus x square into y1 u into v form. Okay. 1 plus x square into d by dx of y1 plus y1 into d by dx of what? 1 plus x square is equal to differentiation of 1. Differentiation of constant is 0, right? 1 plus x square into differentiation of y1 is what? D square y by dx square, correct? It become d square y divided by dx square. It can be taken as what? y2. It can be taken as y2 plus y1 into differentiation of 1, 0 plus differentiation of x square, it is 2x is equal to what? 0. So 1 plus x square into y2 plus into plus 2x y1 is equal to 0. Sorry, it is plus only. This is answer. 1 plus x square into y2 plus 2x y1 is equal to 0. Right? Same type. We can do it for sine inverse x. If y is equal to log x, prove that x by 2 plus x is equal to 0. X by 2 plus 2, y1 is equal to 0. What is given? Given function is y is equal to log x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get y1. Y1 is what? 1 by x. Correct? Cross multiply x into y1 is equal to 1. Differentiate again with respect to x. How to differentiate left hand side? Product rule u into v x into d by dx of what? Y1 plus y1 into d by dx of x is equal to 1. Right? X into differentiation of y1 is what? Y2 plus y1 into differentiation of x is what? 1. So we get x y2 plus y1 is equal to 0. It is y1 only. Clear? Take this. If y is equal to sine inverse x to the power of 2, show that 1 minus x square into y2 minus x y1 is equal to 2. X y1 is equal to 2. You take y. Y is what? Sine inverse x whole square. Differentiate this. On differentiating, what you will get? You will get y1 is equal to. It is of what form? Function to the power of n. Right? N into function to the power of n minus 1 into dy dx of function. That becomes what? 2 into sine inverse x to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1. Differentiation of sine inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Now, you just cross multiply. Just cross multiply. Root of 1 minus x square into y1 is equal to 2 into sine inverse x. Sine inverse x. Right? Again differentiate it. Again differentiate on both sides. On both sides. What you will get? How to differentiate the left hand side? It is in the form of product of two terms. Root of 1 minus x square into y1. Use product rule. Keep root of 1 minus x square as it is. D by dx of y1 plus y1 into d by dx of what? Root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 into differentiation of sine inverse x is what? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay. This root of 1 minus x square will be taken as it is. Differentiation of y1 is what? Differentiation of y1 is y2 d square y by dx square plus y1 into. How to differentiate this root of function? Root function, it is 1 divided by 2 root of 1 minus x square into d by dx of function. D by dx of function, right, is equal to 2 divided by root of 1 minus x square. It is root of 1 minus x square into y2 plus y1 divided by 2 root of 1 minus x square, differentiation of 1, 0, minus differentiation of x square, 2x. Only this part is to be differentiated. All other things are taken as it is, right? 2 by root of 1 minus x square. Now again, you cross multiply or take this to the right side. Right side. It is root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square into y2 plus, see, this 2 cancel. Plus into minus is what? Minus x y1 divided by root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 only, because this denominator is sent to the numerator of left side. On multiplying root of 1 minus x square to both the terms, what you will get? Root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square. You will get 1 minus x square into y2 minus x y1 divided by root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square. They do cancel. Remaining is what? X y1 is equal to what? 2. See the answer. You got the required value. 1 minus x square into y2 minus x y1 is equal to 2. Right? If y is equal to e to the power of tan inverse x, prove that 1 plus x square into y2 plus 2x minus 1 into y1 is equal to 0. So what you will get? 1 plus x square into y2 plus 2x minus 1 into y1 is equal to 0. You just take the y, differentiate it. Differentiating, we get what? Y1 is equal to e to the power of function is e to the power of function into d by dx of function. What is function? Tan inverse x. Right? E power function into d by dx of function, or y1 is equal to e to the power of tan inverse x into differentiation of what? Tan inverse x. Differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. You just cross multiply. 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to e to the power of tan inverse x. Right? Again differentiate. Again differentiate on both sides. What you will get? Observe here. The left hand side term is what? It is product of two terms. Use product rule. U into v. 1 plus x square into d by dx of what? Y1 plus y1 into d by dx of what? U. It is 1 plus x square is equal to. Differentiate the right side. What is right side term? It is e to the power of tan inverse x. Correct? E to the power of tan inverse x into differentiation of tan inverse x, like in the beginning only, 1 by 1 plus x square. Correct? 1 plus x square into y2, differentiation of y1 is y2 plus y1 into, for 1 it is 0 plus for x square it is 2x is equal to e to the power of tan inverse x into 1 by 1 plus x square. E to the power of tan inverse x into 1 by 1 plus x square is taken as what? Y1. Otherwise, you take this as y. This y is equal to what? E to the power of tan inverse x. On differentiating, this y, differentiation of y is what? Y1. In the both the way you can do it. Right? 1 plus x square into y2 plus 2x y1 minus y1 is equal to 0, right? Or 1 plus x square into y2 plus 2x minus 1 into y2. See, y1 is common. If I take common, what you will get? 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, right? Y is equal to sine of m into sine inverse x. Sine inverse x. Show that 1 minus x square into y2 minus x y1 minus x y1 plus m square y is equal to 0. Y is equal to sine of m sine inverse x sine inverse x. Show that 1 minus x square into y2 minus x y1 plus m square y is equal to 0. So such questions will be asked for 6 marks question. 6 marks, right? You take y, differentiate it. You will get what? y1. It is sine function, correct? Differentiation of sine function is what? Cos function. Cos of m sine inverse x into d by dx of function. What is function? M sine inverse x. Okay. Or y1 is equal to cos of m sine inverse x into differentiation of function is what? M into, for sine inverse x it is 1 by root of 1 minus x square, right? Take this root of 1 minus x square to left side, it become root of 1 minus x square into y1 is equal to m into cos of m sine inverse x. On differentiating again differentiate, what you will get? You will get the required equation. Okay, how to differentiate left hand side? See, it is in the product of two terms. Product rule. Root of 1 minus x square into y1. Root of 1 minus x square into d by dx of y1 plus y1 into d by dx of what? A root of 1 minus x square is equal to m into, for cos function. For cos function it is what? Minus sine function into d by dx of function. What is function? M sine x, sine inverse x. That is m into 1 by root of 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square. Okay. Root of 1 minus x square into y1 differentiation is y2. Y1 differentiation is y2 plus y1 into, how to differentiate this root of function? It is 1 by 2 root of function into differentiation of function. Similar to the previous example, what you will get? For 1 it is 0. For x square it is 2x. For root x it is 1 by 2 root x. For root function it is 1 by 2 root function into d by dx of function. That is equal to minus m into m square, right? M square into what? M square into this sine of m sine inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, just cross multiply it, or multiply by root of 1 minus x square on both sides. In this also you will get the answer. On multiplying root of 1 minus x square to the first term, it becomes what? Root of 1 minus x square whole square into y2 plus into minus 2 to cancel, no, x y1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. This is second term. For that also we have to multiply with what? Root of 1 minus x square is equal to minus m square, and take this as y, correct? Sine of m sine inverse x is what? Y. I will take it as y by what? Root of 1 minus x square. It is also multiplied with what? 1 minus x square. Because we are multiplying with root of 1 minus x square on both sides. See, numerator, denominator, common term, they get cancelled. Here also it will cancel. Square root cancelled. What is remaining? 1 minus x square into y2 minus x y1 is equal to minus m square y. If I take this to left side, it become what? Minus x square, 1 minus x square into y2 minus x y1 plus m square y is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Okay. So these are all important problems in successive differentiation. You work out more number of problems, then it will be easy to understand the subject. Right? With this, I am going to conclude my today's class. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please ask the questions.